Wolftrepreneur. Sorry, still working on a proper intro.
Hello, it's Wolftrepreneur again. Just want to talk about what I learned today from business. Just a couple of notes, really. One, uh, have respect for people's time. Okay, so if you're supposed to call them at 3 p.m., do call them at 3 p.m. Treat everyone the same. Like I read this thing somewhere years ago, which kind of changed the way I look at people. I forgot who it is, so I do apologize. But it said like when you look at someone, imagine you're holding a um, label. Imagine the person has a label on their chest saying the most important person in the world. Yeah, so treat everyone like they're the most important person in the world. Because I'm going to get to the second point, where is you lose opportunities when you don't respect people's time. For example, I am sourcing for one of my clients, and I'm trying to get a deal purchasing some stuff, and uh, the deal would be worth millions of dollars. And I've been chasing this company that I really want to do business with, and I want to sign a contract. So it's going to bring them a lot of money, but I had a couple of meetings arranged with the director, and they keep canceling the meetings. They keep canceling the meetings, and at the end, I went with another company because I mean, I'm going to bring them money, and they lost such a massive deal. Okay, second thing from today's business lessons is dealing with Fiverr people. So I use Fiverr here and there, and it's been more disappointing than rewarding, to be honest. But Fiverr is a platform that is really good for finding graphic designers and stuff like that. But the issue is, if you find the wrong designer, then it becomes really frustrating because they could potentially delay um, the work's delivery, and they could mess around with you. And a lot of them have all these excuses. Hey, sorry, I've been sick. Sorry, I have studies to do, this and that. Please extend the gig for another 2 days, then extend for another 3 days, please. And at the end, or they've come up with things like, your project is really difficult. I'm working on your project every single day. I need some extra time for it, please. Then again, they extend. And at the end, they deliver a really low quality logo or website or whatever. So the lesson is, and once someone gives you an excuse, once they ask for an extension on Fiverr, there's a massive chance that they're not going to really deliver anything properly, and they're probably overbooked, or they don't care. And unless you've seen things drafts coming from them, if they've gone silent for like 3 days, and just the day before the delivery deadline they contact you, hey, I've been working in your project, it's really difficult, but I want to get a great job done, so I need some extension. Those are signs that they're going to probably be messing around with you, so don't bother. But I still recommend Fiverr. So and I have a link down below. So yeah, if you do find a good designer, stick with them. I have a VA I use on Fiverr. I have a person who gets rid of the background images and stuff like that I use on Fiverr. But they've been good. But anytime I try to find someone new, it's really challenging. So yeah, treat the people you work with respect, so you can keep them, and they work with you, so you don't need to start searching for new freelancers. Anyway, have a good night. Bye bye.